Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 11, Area and its boundary. In our previous video, we have discussed the textbook page number 149 to 151. In this video, we will discuss the page of textbook 152. Now let's see what is there on page 152. Share the land. Share the land. There is a land which we are supposed to share. Nasrina, the name is here. Nasrina is a farmer who wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children. The name of the children are Chumki, Jumri and Imran. The lady's name is Nasrina and she is having 3 children, Jumki, Jumri and Imran. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of land has 1 tree. Her land looks like this. This is her land. She wants to divide the land in such a way that each piece of land has 1 tree. Now here the trees are there. If we want to divide the land, this land we are supposed to divide into 3 equal parts. First of all, we should know that, and this is in a grid form, isn't it? It is in a grid form, so we can easily count the squares and we can easily find out the area. So first of all, we will find out the area of this whole land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The length is 10. The width is, breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. The area of the land, if I want to calculate the area of the land, to be the 90. 10 9s are 90 square 90 square, and this area is in the meter. So 90 square meter its area is. Now the area is in 90 square meter. 1 square is of 1 meter by 1 meter. The area of 1 square is 1 meter square. So the total area of the land is 90 square meter. Now this 90 square meter of land is to be divided among 3 children, Chumki, Jumri and Imran. So first of all, we will find out for each child how much land will be there. So 90 total is 90 square meter land for each child. We will write down each child is equals to 90 divided by 3 because there are 3 children, so we are dividing 90 by 3. So it is 30 square meter. So each child will get 30 square meter of land. Chumki also will get 30, Jumri will also get 30 and Imran will also get 30. Now another clause of what Nasrina wants that the land should be divided equally, but each of her child should get 30 each tree in one land. In every one, each tree she wants, isn't it? So first of all, we will divide like this. So there are 3 trees are there, and we want to divide these 3 trees among the children by 30. So first of all, we will see. Let's calculate. This is 1 tree. 30 means we want the length and breadth. I think so. For 5 by 6, we can see. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is 6. One piece we got a rectangular piece. This we are taken by as 5 and this is by as 6. We will write it down. This piece of land I will give to Chumki. Okay. Now Jhumri's land. Here is the land. I want to give it to Jhumri. First of all, for Jhumri, let's calculate 30 piece it will want. This tree I will calculate. So let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3. 8 threes are 24. So from here eight is a 24. Okay, so 24 are this much square area is of 24 meters. Now other the 6 because equally it is distributed, so each child will get 30 squares, isn't it? So these are 24 squares, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So we will distribute Jhumri land, this type of shape we will distribute to Jhumri, isn't it? This much it is of Jhumri. Okay, now the remaining portion also gets a tree and the remaining portion is for Imran. He also get 30 squares because the total was 90. This is 30, this is 30, the remaining will be 30 only. So this 30 it is given to Imran. Okay, so now each and every child gets a 30 square meter of land equally divided and one tree, each one has one tree. So this way we have divided this land into 3 parts. Each child got a 30 square meters land. You can divide the land equally. Can you divide the land equally? Yes, we have divided. So how you will divide it? Remember, each person has to get a tree. Color each person's piece of land differently. If you want, you can color the land differently. Now there are some of the questions are there regarding to this land. If each square on this page is equals to 1 square meter of land, how much land will each of her children get? So each children will get 30 square meters of land. This we have found it out. Chumki, Jhumri and Imran needs wire to make a fence. Now what they want, all the 3 children want to make fences around their land. They want to make fences around their land. Who will need the longest wire for fence and how much wire in all will the 3 needed? There's such type of wire they need. So for fencing, we are supposed to find out the perimeter of each one's land, isn't it? Because fence will be on the boundary. So for find out the boundary, we will need the perimeter. Now first of all, let's calculate about the length of the perimeter. This is one is rectangular. So this is 5 and this is 6. So easily we will get the length of this. Now let's calculate about this. This was 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was 5. 3. 2, 5, 3. Okay, this is 8 meter, 5 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter, 5 meter and 3 meter. This is the measurement of the dimensions of the Jhumri's land. Now this land, this is 2, This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now we got the dimension of their length. So now we will solve the sum in our notebook. So first of all, we will write down the detail of each and every detail of the sum which is given to us. Okay, first of all, we write down page number 152. What is the sum? Share the land. 152 sum is share the land. Okay, total area of Nasrina's land is equals to 10 into 9 is equals to 90 square meter. Okay, length and breadth 90 square meter. Land divided equally among 3 children. Therefore, each will get 90 divided by 3 is equals to 30 square meter of land. Okay, so this we have written. Now perimeter of each one's land. Okay, now first of all we have perimeter of Chumki's land. Okay, now Chumki's land we had divided into a rectangular shape, isn't it? Exactly. So Chumki's land length is equals to, how much was the length? 5, and breadth or width is equals to 6. Perimeter is equals to 2L plus B. 2L plus B is equals to 2. 5 plus 6, 2, 5 plus 6, how much? 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, 11 to the 22 meter. How much the square is? 22 meter. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 to the 22 meter perimeter of Chumki's land. So, Chumki will need 22 meter wire for fence. Okay, so now next one is of perimeter of Jumri, isn't it? The other name is Jumri. Perimeter of Jumri's land. Now the Jumri's land is not in an equal or some geometrical shape. So for this, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to add all the sides, sum of all the sides. So perimeter of Jumri's land is equals to sum of all the sides. So E is equals to sum of all the sides is I will add it out. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. 8 plus 5 plus, next year, 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. Now let's the total. How much it is? 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5, 23. And 23 plus 3, 26. Once again we will do 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 meter. So we will write down, so Jhumri will need 26 meter wire for fence. Okay. Now third one is the length of perimeter of Imran's land. Okay. Imran's length. Okay. Here also the perimeter is the sum of all the sides because it is also not equal, isn't it? So we will write down Imran's land is equals to sum of all the sides. So now we will add it up. 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Let's check it out. 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so let's count out. 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 3 23, 23 plus 5 28. Okay, again we will do 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 3 23, 23 plus 5 28. 28 meters. So Imran will need 28 meter wire for fence. Okay, so this we are going. Who will now? First of all, who will need the longest wire? Who will need Jhumki 22, Jhumri 26 and Imran 28? So we will write down one more answer. Imran will need the longest wire for fence. That is how much? It is 28 meter. 28 meter. Okay. Now next question is, here the answer was 28 meter. Okay. How much wire in all will the three needed? Total wire needed by all the three children run is equals to Tumki's was 22 plus 26 plus 28, isn't it? Now we are supposed to add it up. 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 6 16, 2 plus 2 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 76 meter wire is needed. Total wire needed by all the three children is 76 meter. How much wire is needed? 76 meter. Okay. 2 plus 6, we have 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 1 carry, 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 76 meter wire, long wire is needed by all the three children to fence their land. Understood, students? So this whole sum you are supposed to copy it down in your notebook.